Just making a quick video. Wanted to catch up and let you know what's going on as far as YouTube are concerned anyway. So very tired today. Apologise about the appearance. Could do with a shave, but there you go. So today I premiered a video. I've had it uploaded for a couple of months, and didn't feel well at the start of the lockdown, so I didn't get much done for a couple of weeks. So I've had it sat there unlisted waiting to be published, and I thought, oh, I'd make a premiere. So I set it as a premiere to go public today, and I advertised it. I advertised it on my personal Facebook, which I've got 1,000 friends, and I put it in my Japanese and Chinese identification group for pottery and porcelain, and I put it in the main Japanese group, which has got another 2,000 members. My group's got 300 plus members now, and I also premiered it to my subscribers, and I've got nearly 5,000 subscribers, but that number hasn't changed for like the last 3 years. And what's happening is YouTube are shadow banning me because I talked about free energy and chemtrails and things like that. So anyway, after premiering this great video, it's not that great, it's okay, but you know, you get a few views. To all these groups and all these friends, after nearly 12 hours, the video has received 9 views. Yeah, 9 views. So YouTube really is just a waste of time, really. I mean, I'm going to keep doing it because I like sharing my stuff, and I have like a butterfly effect, cause and effect, when I put videos up. So it does touch people's lives, but very few. So anyway, I'm not thinking I got 9 views because that's just unreasonable and ridiculous. But what I am thinking is that YouTube are not counting my views and not showing them to me, and subsequently not paying me fair share of the partner program that I signed up for. Basically, they're breaking the terms of the contract. Well, anyway, that's it, YouTube peeps. Just wanted to let you know what's going on in my world. So go and look at the video. It's a really good video. It's about unboxing a King Kazan, a rare antique Japanese vase. And I had fun making it, and hopefully you have fun watching it. And that's what it's all about, isn't it? You know, my worst videos, like 8 years ago, my very worst videos, which were like just, you know, ridiculously non-significant, would get 300 to 1,000 views. I had one video about free energy that had 120 something thousand views before YouTube deleted it, and that's the way it goes. If you like my channel, if you like the truth, if you like telling the truth and lifting the veil and finding out what's really going on behind the scenes with the human experience, subscribe, hit the like button, press the bell, comment, tell your friends, do what you gotta do, but just know that this YouTube experience is not the whole truth and nothing but the truth. That's all I'm gonna say. Right, peace on the streets, lift the lockdown, wear your mask or not, it won't make any difference. Lots of love. That's my little video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Or I won't see you, but you might see me anyway.